In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export a Tableau dashboard as an image or an PDF. Tableau is a really powerful tool for data visualization, but sometimes you don't want an interactive dashboard. You just want a clean image or PDF that you can easily share with others. Don't worry, the process is actually really simple and I will walk you through it step by step. So first one, open up Tableau on your computer. On dashboard, you can launch it from your application or just open an existing Tableau workbook directly. Once you have opened, make sure you are inside your workbook and that you can see your worksheets. Now, next thing is go to the sheet or dashboard you want to export. I will go like this one here, or okay. If your workbook has multiple sheets, as you can see here, uh, okay, uh, not right now. So if your workbook has multiple sheets, take a second to double check which one you would like to select. Whatever is selected here is what will be exported later. After that, go to the top menu and click right here to server, because they changed it. It's not anymore in a file, but you need to go to server here, and then below is table public. So you will save to table public this sheets. It will take a little bit of time, as you can see here. Once the upload is complete, Tableau will open your profile in web browser automatically. So I will, okay, like that. And now I can show you that it's opening up my visualization just right here in the Tableau public. On this page, now you look on the right side up here, download button icon. Click on that icon, and here now you can choose how you want to download it. You can export it as an image or cross-tab, PDF, PowerPoint, or Tableau workbook. So if I go with PDF, so depending on what you need, obviously, download. Now this thing will download automatically to the computer. And if I open up, here it is, as you can see. And that's it. You have successfully exported your Tableau dashboard. If you repeat these steps a few times, it will quickly become second nature. Just remember, this method requires saving your work to Tableau public, so always be careful if you are working with sensitive data. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.